How do I log out of Instagram on all devices?
Hello, and welcome to our latest tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about a useful but sometimes overlooked Instagram feature: how to log out of your Instagram account on all devices. This can be helpful if you've lost your phone, or if you've logged into Instagram on a public computer and forgotten to log out.
Why is it important to log out?
Before we start, let's briefly touch on why you should be mindful about where and when you're logged into your Instagram account. Being logged into your account on multiple devices, especially ones that are shared or public, can expose your personal information to others. It can also make your account more vulnerable to hackers. Therefore, it's a good security practice to only be logged in on the devices you are currently using.
Logging out of Instagram on your current device.
Now, let's get into the actual steps. The first thing you need to do is to log out of Instagram on your current device. Here's how. 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. 2. Go to your profile by tapping on the person icon at the bottom right of the screen. 3. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner, which will open a sidebar menu. 4. At the bottom of the menu, tap on Settings. 5. Scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see the Log Out option. Tap on it.
Logging out of Instagram on all devices.
The steps we've taken so far will only log you out of the device you're currently using. Now, let's proceed to log out of all devices. 1. Repeat the first 4 steps from section 2. 2. Once you're in Settings, tap on Security. 3. In the security settings, look for an option that says Login Activity and tap on it. 4. This will show you all the places where you're logged into Instagram. 5. At the bottom, you'll see an option that says Log Out of All Devices. Tap on this. Please note that this will log you out everywhere, so make sure you remember your Instagram password, or have access to the email or phone number associated with your account in case you need to reset it. And that's how to log out of Instagram on all devices. It's a quick and easy process, but it's very important for keeping your Instagram account secure. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember to always prioritize your online security and only stay logged in on the devices you're currently using. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.